Yeah, ho, yeah, I know that you can talk. You talking all that shit, but let me see if you can walk. Let me see you walk.
But if you talk about the quality is top notch. I'm back again with another video. I don't have to say much. It's a wig tutorial video. If you want to know more about this hair, keep watching. Turn on your post notification bell. Click the subscribe button and thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and loved ones, just so they take advantage of deals like this on my channel. Keep watching. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Garbie of Garbie'Signature, and on my channel today, as you can see from this wig cap, it's gonna be a wig tutorial. I'm Garbie of Garbie'Signature. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, yay! Thank you for being the plug on my channel. Thank you for your love, your support. You guys make me go harder and hardest every single day. So today I'm going to be reviewing this hair from HERTUNE, and this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute, beautiful packaging. Like, check this out. I love this. I love this. Let's just open this. Okay, so when I open this, it comes with this wig cap. It's a nude two-piece wig cap. Nice. The hair comes in this package. So, and let's just take this out. This says 16 inches. So this is the body wave human black hair, 16 inches. Ooh, look at this. 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 The street is calling my name. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. I love this. Bleached knots. Yeah. It's not really my skin tone, but that's fine. We're gonna make it work. It's got two wig clips here in the front and one wig clip at the back, and it's got the elastic band that are woven into the wig cap over here. This is the original hair. It says 16 inches. It looks short, but let's just work it, okay? First things first, I'm just going to go over this edge with my foundation brush, just so that the hair looks more like my skin color. Bleaching the knot, okay, with my foundation, so it looks much more natural. Au natural finish. That's French. That's my definition of French. Used my foundation on this spot, and next I'm going to grab my scissors to cut off this excess lace, and it's going to be difficult, but we're going to do it together, okay? So I'm just going like so, holding this up and cutting it. Okay, I got that. It wasn't so bad after all. Grabbing the wig clip at the back, I'm just going to fling it like so, put it at the back and draw it all the way forward. Using the front clips, I'm going to clip it in and tuck it in. So this is what the hair looks like without styling it. So first we're just going to go quick into this hair, and if you look closely, I didn't use any wig glue, so I'm just going to grab my tail comb here and I'm going to make a pattern. And I've got my hot comb plugged in. I'm just going to swipe it down. Yeah, just to straighten this out, and be careful, be very careful not to get it on your roots, okay? I'm just going to get it like so to straighten this out. Going in with my lower body mousse, I'm just going to get some like so and spread it down. Makes it so much easier to work with, and it gives it some shine. Can you see the way the flyaways are just respecting themselves and staying like put together? That's what you want to achieve. So if you don't have mousse, go get some mousse. It really works wonders. Look at the way everything just looks like calm and put together. So now I'm gonna take this and yes. Can you hear the sizzling sound? It's going to just put it like literally where I want it to stay. So as you can see, we installed the hair together. This is what the hair looks like. And I'm just going to go in with my mascara wand, and I'm just going to just tap on the excess concealer that I used on the roots, just so it doesn't look out of place. This hair is super lightweight. That's something you want to realize quickly. It's like for the closure, an 8 inches closure was used, so the closure is pretty short. Like, look at where the closure ends. But the good thing is it actually feels like my natural hair. It just sort of looks blurred to me. I'm trying to work around it, but this hair it's nice. I'll give it a 7 just because it's not full enough, but it's an human hair. It's fluffy. The color is nice. It's just I love full hair, so this is not full enough. This is like, if you like something a little bit scanty, you're good to go with this. So this is a bit scanty for me. It's too scanty, but it came out nice. Look at the pattern we gave it. It was a center pattern. I literally turned it to the side just so maybe I would like it more. I feel like it should be given more than this. Another downside is the fact that the closure is like 6 inches, because this is literally where it stops, so it makes it have like an unnatural finish. But there are times that people love layers to their hair, so it makes it look like you have layers, but it's pretty nice. This is the end result. I'm not feeling it just because it's not full, but it's a really nice hair. Trust me, this hair, the quality, the description, everything came just as it said. It's just I had more expectations in the sense that I wanted it to be more full, more voluminous, like you always see on my channel. But there are people that also love hairs that are scanty like this, that looks more natural. The truth is, this hair looks like a natural hair, like your hair. You know the way your hair looks, and it feels like, oh, it's scanty. Yeah. This is literally giving like your natural hair vibe, but I want something more voluminous. So with that being said, I'm going to give this hair a 7. And if you like this hair and you want to purchase it, click the link in my description box to get yours. And we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, for staying tuned. And until next time, don't forget I upload my videos every Monday by 12 p.m. And if I'm going to have a bonus video, that's why you have to keep your notification bell on, because bonus videos comes on Thursdays by 12 p.m. Till next time, stay fabulous. Bye, loves.